Hi, my name is Nur Karmila Qistina, binti Mohd Rizal, and I am going to explain about aluminum. Aluminum is a chemical element with the symbol Al and atomic number 13. This is how aluminum looks like in real life. In periodic table, when we look at aluminum, the number 13 above the symbol of the element is the atomic number and the number of the protons, and also it is the number of its electrons. Once we find that out, we can use it to write its electron configurations. It will turn out like this.
It has 13 number of electrons, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the electron configuration is 3s2 and 3p1.
So do you ever wonder what about its chemical bonding? What kind of chemical bonding present in aluminum? So the bonding present in aluminum is called metallic bonding.
When aluminum atoms are grouped together in a block of metal, the outer electrons leave individual atoms to become part of common electron cloud. In this arrangement, the valence electrons have considerable mobility and are able to conduct heat and electricity easily. It is arranged in a lattice structure.
Let me tell you about the unique physical properties in the aluminum. The physical properties of aluminum are the characteristics that can be observed without changing the substance into another substance. Physical properties are those that usually can be observed using our senses. What are the physical properties of aluminum? Silvery white with a bluish tint. The pure metal is soft, but it becomes strong and hard when it is alloyed. It can be beaten into extremely thin sheets, just like aluminum foil. It is capable of being shaped or bent. It is a good electrical and heat conductors. So aluminum resists corrosion by the formation of the self-protecting oxide coating. So let's move to the unique chemical properties of aluminum. So chemical properties are the characteristics that determine how it will react with other substance or change the substance to another substance. The better we know about the nature of one substance, the better we are able to understand it. It has a chemical formula Al. It occurs only in a compound, principally in bauxite. In moist air, it is slowly combining itself with the oxygen to form aluminum oxide. Aluminum reacts with so many hot acids. Aluminum reacts quickly with hot water. Aluminum reacts with alkalis such as sodium hydroxide and lime water. A mixture of aluminum and oxygen and also other substance produces bauxite. Bauxite is an aluminum ore and the main source of aluminum. When aluminum is combined with other elements such as magnesium, silicon, or copper, it will form an alloy with a great strength. Countless objects that simplify as well as increase of the quality of our daily life are partly made of aluminum. So where do we find aluminum in real life? The first example is the aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil is made by rolling sheets of 98.5% pure aluminum metal between pairs of polished, lubricated steel rollers. Successive passes through the rollers squeeze the foil thinner. Household aluminum foil is so thin that the rollers can handle it without tearing it.
Secondly, aluminum can.
Aluminum cans bring packaging benefits as well. They are easily formed, resist corrosion, and will not rust. Cans made from aluminum easily support the carbonation pressure required to package soda and withstand pressures of up to 90 pounds per square inch.
And lastly, it is the heatsink for CPU.
This is how heatsink looks like. This process is known as thermal conductivity, which is how heatsinks transfer heat away from the computer's processor. Heatsinks are usually made of metal, which serves as the thermal conductor that carries heat away from the CPU. This is what happens to the CPU when the heatsink is removed.